Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Calendar for appointment scheduling workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. If you are not already logged into your Google account, enter your credentials to sign in. Once you are on the Google Calendar homepage, locate the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. In the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings page. On the left side, you'll see various options. Look for Add Calendar and click on it. Choose Create New Calendar from the options presented. In the Name field, enter a descriptive name for your calendar. You can also fill in the optional description and time zone fields if desired. After entering the details, click the Create Calendar button at the bottom of the page. Now that your calendar is created, navigate back to the main settings page. Scroll down until you find the Integrate Calendars section. Here, you will see various options, including a public URL to this calendar. If you want to share your calendar for appointment scheduling, consider making it public. To do this, navigate to Share with Specific People in the Share with Others section. Click Add People and enter the email addresses of those you want to share the calendar with. Choose the permission settings for each person, and click Send to Share. Next, go back to the main calendar view. To set up appointment slots, click on the Create button in the top left corner. In the Event Creation window, select Appointment Slots. Enter a title for your appointment slots in the Event Name field. Specify the time frame for the appointment slots by selecting the date and time. Set the duration of each appointment slot by adjusting the Slot's Duration field. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save to create your appointment slots. Your appointment slots will now appear on your calendar. To share your appointment booking link, click on the slot of. In the event details, you will see a unique booking link. Copy this link to share with your clients or colleagues for scheduling appointments. When someone accesses the link, they can choose an available slot that suits them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.